Welcome to Alberta Waste and Recycling. This is our orientation presentation for new employees. In part one of this orientation, we will go through assignment of responsibilities, company rules, social media policy, PPE or personal protective equipment, fit for duty, reporting for duty, modified duties, disciplinary actions, who's who, our sites and hours of operation. Your OHS rights. These are your rights as a worker. You have the right to know what hazards are present in the workplace, the right to participate in keeping your workplace health and safe, and the right to refuse work that you believe to be dangerous to yourself or your coworkers. The assignment responsibilities for senior managers is a long list. Here are some of the overview. Maintain the health and safety management system. Lead by example of the health and safety management system. Ensure safety policies and procedures are enforced. Ensure the safety manual will be reviewed annually. Provide all staff and facilities with maintained tools, equipment, and protective equipment, as well as necessary training. This is the assignment of responsibilities for supervisors. This is just an overview. There is a more in-depth procedure in the safety manual. Supervisor is to ensure all personnel on the worksite works in a safe manner and that all PPE, hazard controls, and procedures are used. They provide a good example to workers. They maintain housekeeping standards and assign specific duties to individuals. They ensure reporting policies are being followed, and they access worker competency. The meaning of competent or competency. Employers shall be able to justify on the basis on which they deem any worker to be competent using the following criteria: adequate qualifications, suitable training, sufficient experience, which works out to, I'm going to tell you how to do it, I'm going to show you how to do it, you're going to show me how to do it, and then we'll review together. Assignment of responsibilities for workers. This is, again, just an overview. Carry out your work in a manner that will not create a hazard to yourself or anyone else. Report any incidents, unsafe acts, and unsafe conditions immediately to your supervisor. Wear all safety equipment, PPE, as required by the safety program. Familiarize yourself with the use of the safety resources on sites. There is the Alberta Occupational Health and Safety Blue Book, the company's safety manual, and safety data sheets for chemicals that we use. Company rules. These are things that are not permitted. No fighting, horseplay, practical jokes, or interfering with other workers. No theft, vandalism, or misuse of company property. No weapons of any kind. The use or selling of alcohol, drugs, paraphernalia, or non-prescribed drugs is strictly prohibited. Cell phone usage during operation of any equipment. Headphones or earbuds on the work site. Company rules. Every worker must report all unsafe acts or conditions to the supervisor immediately. Report all incidents resulting in damage or injury immediately. Use only those tools and equipment that are in good repair with all guards and safety devices in place. Keep the work area neat, clean, and orderly. Smoke only in designated areas. Attend and participate in safety meetings and processes as required. Operate machinery or equipment if you are authorized and trained to do so. Maintain and inspect all PPE as per manufacturer's specifications. Social media policy. Please remember, when you are using social media, you are not only representing yourself, but you are also representing Alberta Waste and Recycling, and in turn our contracting employers, Rocky View County and the City of Airdrie. PPE. All personnel will wear high-vis vests and CSA green triangle boots providing ankle supports. CSA hard hats will be worn where a hazard to the head exists. CSA safety glasses or goggles and adequate gloves will be worn at all times while sorting materials. Fit for duty. This means that you are required to be in a condition that does not inhibit your ability to perform your tasks safely. Reporting for duty. If you need to be absent from work, you need to call in to your supervisor as soon as you know. The more time you give, the better we are to get your shift covered. Leaving a message with no response is not acceptable. There must be a response, whether it be text message or phone call. Modified duties. If you get hurt at work and you cannot complete your regular tasks, AWR has work at a reduced toll that is acceptable to your approved medical facility, WCB caseworker, and to our management. Complying with modified duties are a condition of employment. Disciplinary actions. Violations to the policies and procedures relating to health and safety of all company operations will be enforced. The process is verbal warning, written warning, suspension, and/or termination. This is at the discretion of management. One measure or a combination of the above measures may be deemed appropriate to the circumstances and potential risk. Who's who? Our senior managers. This is our president and our general manager. Dan Zembel is our president and Michelle Petrosh is our general manager. We also have our own recycled construction waste recovery site located in North Calgary. Alberta Waste Recycling has contracts with Rocky View County and the City of Airdrie. This is me. I am the Office Administrator and Safety Officer. My name is Michelle Beddoes. I am the Safety Officer and Office Administrator. I work in the office in Airdrie, and I run the office from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. As the Safety Officer, you can text or call me any day of the week. I usually go to bed about 9 p.m., just so you know. This is Jacob. He is our accounting administrator. He also works in the office Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Jacob is also the site lead on the weekends at the City of Airdrie transfer site, and he also works a couple chuck wagons or whichever site we may need him at. This is Craig. He is our light mechanic and Mr. Fix-It. Craig does minor repairs to our equipment and fleet vehicles. He works in conjunction with our general manager, Michelle Petrosh. Our sites. We have 12 sites, not including the main office. The City of Airdrie transfer site is located 6 kilometers west of the city, straight out on Veterans Boulevard, just beside the rodeo grounds. Airdrie runs Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And in summer, we run Thursdays, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Airdrie has 4 regular employees and an additional 1 employee for the summer. Liam is the site lead for the week, and Jacob is the site lead on the weekends. Alberta Waste Recycling North Calgary Resource Recovery Depot. North Calgary runs Monday to Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. At this site, construction waste is recovered and recycled. We recycle several types of construction items here. Sabrina is the supervisor at the site and supervises 10 to 15 people. North Calgary is located just off Métis and Stony Trail. Rocky View County Bragg Creek Transfer Site. The transfer site is located in the town of Bragg Creek, and it runs Wednesdays and Saturdays. Wednesdays are 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Saturdays are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. There are 3 employees at Bragg Creek, Danielle, Derek, and Willem. Rocky View County Irricana Transfer Site. Irricana runs Wednesdays and Saturdays and has summer hours. Summer hours are Wednesdays 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. and Saturdays 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And winter hours are Wednesdays and Saturdays 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. There are 2 employees at Irricana, Shannon and Marie. Rocky View County Langdon Transfer Site. Again, this site has summer and winter hours, which are the same at Irricana. The site runs Wednesdays and Saturdays, and there are 2 employees at Langdon, Red and Myrna. Rocky View County Springbank Transfer Site. Again, this site runs Wednesdays and Saturdays and has summer and winter hours as Irricana and Langdon. There are 2 employees at Springbank, and they are Warren and Edna. Rocky View County Spring Hill Transfer Site. Spring Hill Transfer Site is located in the Cook Road Industrial Park right beside Bluegrass Nursery. They also have summer and winter hours and also run Wednesdays and Saturdays. There is 1 employee at Spring Hill, and that is Scott. Rocky View County Chuck Wagon Sites. There are 6 Chuck Wagon sites that run Wednesdays and Saturdays, and 1 runs on a Sunday. Balzac, located at the Rocky View County head office, runs Wednesdays 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Bears Paw, located near the Bears Paw Lions Farmers Market, runs Wednesdays 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Elbow Valley, located at the Elbow Valley Fire Hall, runs Saturdays 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Conrich, located at 110 Cambridge Parkway in Conrich, runs every other Wednesday 1 p.m. to 7 p.m., just like Balzac. Keoma, located on First Avenue in Keoma by the Greater Shed, runs Sundays 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Madden is located on Simons Valley Road across from the Ag Center, and it runs Saturdays 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. We have 4 employees that work on the chuck wagons: Dawn, Troy, Shannon, and Yidnekachru, and Jacob and myself also help out occasionally. You're doing great. Keep going. Take a break, then please proceed to part 2 of the orientation when you're ready.